Okay, so maybe you're filling out a form just like me, and you're required to provide your your Google Cloud Platform project ID and the Google Cloud Platform project number. So let's go to our Google. So you can click here. You can, and it's going to bring you right here. You can click here to go straight to Google Cloud Console. So here we are. For me, I already have this open down here. So once you're there, this is what you see initially. So initially you want to select the project. And once you've selected the project, you'll come down here, the navigation menu, click there, and then cloud overview rather, cloud overview, and then dashboard. And here is your project name, your project number, which we are going to copy, and then your project ID. All right, so I'm going to copy that, bring it down here. This is my project number, and then my project ID. This is it here. So yeah, that is how you find your So that's how to find your Google Cloud project ID and project number in Google Cloud Console. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.